Welcome back to Module 2, Physics, for the final video. Today we cover wave motion and sound, including wave properties, wave speed, the Doppler effect, and the speed of sound. Every wave has a few key properties. Wavelength is the distance between two matching points, like crest to crest. Amplitude is the maximum displacement from rest. Frequency is how many waves pass a point each second, measured in hertz. And period, t, is the time for one complete wave, equal to 1 over the frequency. Wave speed links these properties together. V equals f lambda, the frequency times the wavelength. For a given medium, the speed stays constant. So if frequency goes up, wavelength must come down to match, and vice versa. Waves come in two types, depending on how the particles move. In a transverse wave, particles move perpendicular to the direction of travel, like light or a wave on a rope. In a longitudinal wave, particles move back and forth parallel to the direction of travel, creating compressions and rarefactions. Sound is a longitudinal wave, and unlike light, it needs a medium such as air, water, or metal to travel through. The Doppler effect happens when a sound source is moving. As the source travels, the wavefronts it emits bunch up ahead of it and spread out behind it. A listener ahead of the source hears the waves arriving closer together, a higher pitch, while a listener behind hears them arriving further apart, a lower pitch. This is why an aircraft or siren sounds higher pitched as it approaches, and lower pitched as it moves away. The speed of sound depends on the medium it travels through, specifically its density and stiffness. Sound travels fastest through solids like steel, slower through liquids like water, and slowest through gases like air. Within air, sound also speeds up as temperature rises. Here is one for you to try. A sound wave has a frequency of 500 Hz and a wavelength of 0.68 meters. Calculate its speed. Pause the video now. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is C, wavelength equals sign crest-to-crest distance. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is B. Sound particles move parallel to travel. Read the question and select your answer. The correct answer is A. Approaching source equal sign higher pitch. That completes video 20, and with it, all of Module 2, Physics. Fantastic work getting through all 20 videos. Up next is Module 3, Electrical Fundamentals, whenever you are ready to begin.